welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be bleaching my hair for the first time. At the same time, I'll be coloring it to gray. And we'll see if it's really gonna work. Kasi if naalala nyo, nag-vlog din ako ng ash gray na video and nag-fail yun. If gusto nyo makita, I'll put the link here. But I will be bleaching my hair for the first time nga. Like I said, using the HERANI product na ganito. I saw this on TikTok. It was sent to me by my brother-in-law. I was curious if it's really Okay guys, so tapos na po kami sa top ng hair ko. So we will just wait 5 more minutes, then we will rinse it off. So ayan. Konting lang review about this. If yung pain tolerance nyo is kagaya ko na very low, then I would say na makaka-feel kayo ng hapde, konti lang. But compared sa salon na bleach, hindi talaga siya ganun kahapde. Na to the point na parang yung scalp mo matatanggal na. So, konti lang naman. Pero if yung pain tolerance nyo is high, then I feel like hindi kayo makaka-feel na anything. Napapansin niyo, puti talaga yung dito. Ayan. Okay, so I will be back na lang pag magko-color na ako sa hair ko ng gray kasi hindi ko pa siya agad pwedeng koloran because mamamatay na yung buhok ko. So, may isang araw pa akong hihintayin na walang gagawin sa hair ko. And then, I'll film again if magko-color na ako ng gray. But so far, so good. Okay na okay yung brand na yon and hindi siya mabaho and sobrang mild lang niya. Like I said, depende pa rin sa pain tolerance nyo if it is high or low. But for me, okay naman siya guys. Yung experience ko smooth lang and hindi talaga ako nag-panic attack compared sa salon na nagpa-bleach ako before. So anyway, I'll be back and I'll see you guys again pag mag-gray na ako ng hair.
A few inches later.
Hey guys, so I'm back and ito naman na yung itsura ng hair ko after the bleach. And ayan, nakikita nyo, hindi talaga siya like white na white. It's a bit more yellow na cord, ganun. But then, okay na rin siya. I think kakagat na yung color na gusto ko. So we will see if totoo talagang kakagat siya. And so far guys, nakita ko level 8 lang yung na-achieve ng hair ko. Pero okay na rin siya because first application ko lang yun and napunta na siya agad sa level 8. So, and may parts na parang level 9 na hindi lang talaga siya ganun kapantay. Especially sa tips, sa tip ng ano ko, ng buhok. So, ayun na nga. Ready na yung ano ko, yung dito ko for me to try. Alright guys, so tapos ko na siya ni-apply sa buong hair ko on my own. Hindi ko na lang na-film kasi lubat yung camera ko. But we will just have to wait for 40 minutes before tayo mag-rinse. And hopefully, kumagat na siya. And hopefully, pantay yung pagkalagay ko. As much as I could, ginawa ko na lang talaga yung lahat ng best ko. Hopefully talaga na ma-push yung color niya. Alright guys, so tapos na ako mag-rinse ng buhok. And eto na po yung baho guys. And hindi mo akalain na bleach yun. And also at the same time, nag-work talaga siya. Nakita nyo naman yung hair ko, the before and after using the bleach. Nakita nyo naman yung result. I try to use a different brand if I want to make my hair gray. Hindi ko lang sure kung ano. Mag-research pa ako kung ano talaga yung effect. But I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Somehow this is more about the bleach brand that I use and a little bit of review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog.